Society. Mrs. Sunita Arudra, Assistant Director at GSACS, Principal of Vidya Prabodhini College, Dr. Bhushan Bhave, respected representatives of the media, other esteemed guests, my colleagues and friends across the various colleges in Goa, and dear students. I, Kedarnath Tadkor, Assistant Professor of English at Vidya Prabodhini College, wish you all a good morning and bid you welcome to today's solemn event titled AIDS Awareness Pledge by Youth of Goa to mark World AIDS Day today, that is 1st December 2021. Solemn because today is a grim reminder that even after several decades, we have not been able to rid ourselves of the scourge that is AIDS, even as we are fighting the new menace of the COVID-19 virus. Today, HIV remains a major public health issue that affects millions of people worldwide. Although the world has made significant progress in recent decades, important global targets for 2020 itself could not be met. Though WHO lists out division, disparity and disregard for human rights as among the failures that have allowed the HIV virus to become and remain a global health crisis. Now, COVID-19 is exacerbating the inequities and disruptions to services, making the lives of many people living with AIDS even more challenging. The theme of World AIDS Day 2021 is End Inequalities and AIDS. With a special focus on reaching people left behind, the WHO and its partners are highlighting the growing inequalities in access to essential HIV services. Globally, an estimated 3 crore 77 lakh people are living with AIDS, with more than 6 lakh 80,000 people having died from HIV-related causes in 2020 alone. And while the fight against AIDS continues, 15 lakh people were newly infected in 2020. If we take a look at the figures in India, the HIV estimate report of 2019 puts the number of active cases of people living with HIV/AIDS to be around 23.49 lakh. The silver lining on the cloud is that the HIV epidemic has an overall decreasing trend in the country, with an estimated annual new HIV infections declining by 37% between 2010 and 2019. Today's program, AIDS Awareness Pledge by Youth of Goa, is being organized by the Red Ribbon Club of Vidya Prabodhini College of Commerce, Education, Computer and Management, Parvari, in association with Goa State AIDS Control Society, GSACS, to mark World AIDS Day. This is an international day designated by UNAIDS and commemorated every year since 1988. It is dedicated to raising awareness of the AIDS pandemic caused by the spread of the HIV infection and mourning those who have died of the disease. And the pledge taken today by the students is expected to inculcate in them a sense of self-awareness, self-responsibility and self-discipline to help them more profoundly realize the threat of AIDS and HIV to not only their lives but also to the nation. To begin with, I ask Dr. Bhushan Bhave, Principal of Vidya Prabodhini College, to give the customary welcome address. To help them more profoundly realize the threat of AIDS and HIV to not only their lives but also to the nation. To begin with, I ask Dr. Bhushan Bhave, Principal of Vidya Prabodhini College, to give the customary welcome. Address. Start. Yeah. What is that? Internet issues. Yes. Okay, so you cannot pre-recorded speech.
What is not internet?
So, skip it otherwise. Go ahead. You, Saraj will invite you. Yeah. Okay. You skip all the things and then you go to Saraj. Before I ask our Honorable Governor to address the audience, let me introduce him in brief. Sri P.S. Sridharan Pillai was born in Venmani Panchayat of Alappuzha district in Kerala. A successful lawyer, a former politician, an organizer par excellence, an orator, a prolific writer, a philanthropist and a thinker, Sri P.S. Sridharan Pillai was born, also graduated in arts from Pandaram NSS College. He pursued his degree in law from Calicut Law College and completed the course in the year 1978. During his stint at the law college, Sri Pillai was the editor of the college magazine, Christiania, which marked protest against the emergency and the Indira Gandhi government. He was elected as Law College Union Vice Chairman, besides being elected as a Senate member of Calicut University. In his life of public service spanning more than 5 decades, Sri P.S. Sridharan Pillai has held a large number of administrative, academic and political posts. A bilingual author, Sri Pillai writes both in English and his mother tongue, Malayalam, with ease and dexterity on topics close to his heart, such as politics, social and legal issues and poetry. Till date, he has written more than 130 books, including 50 poetry collections in Malayalam and English. Sri Pillai was bestowed with DLit in the year 2020 by JJ University. On 15 July 2021, Sri P.S. Sridharan Pillai was sworn in as the 22nd Governor of the state of Goa. May I now request His Excellency, the Honorable Governor of Goa, to deliver his address to the audience.
What? My speech?
So no speech, sir.
No speech, sir.
Distinguished guests and my dear friends, today world is observing AIDS Day as declared by you. Now, scholars Udhodhini India proposing Court of Commerce, the Turkey initiative for observing this day and making awareness among the government organizations. So a pledge is going to be taken after this speech, and I'm very happy that because of the initiative of this institution, Lord Goa, remembering we are taking a pledge against the spread of AIDS, the increasing rate of HIV. Regarding this aspect, the awareness is the best solution. I was a governor in Mizoram, wherein people are good at heart, law-abiding citizens, but at the same time, HIV rate is more, because according to my information, first position in India. Then I had occasion to study in my own way about the HIV increasing tendency. And I found that actually sex relationship is not the criterion, not the main important rule behind it, cause behind it, and use of drugs and other things is a real villain in this world. You see, Mizoram is very near to the border state of Burma. Free access between this Mizoram and Myanmar is there. And when I started my study, I found that without passport anything, 16 kilometers to the either side, Indian side and Myanmar side, people can go freely. So through that process, of course, the dangerous situation existing there, drug peddling is very much increasing, and that is a real cause behind the increase of HIV number in Iswal and other parts of the Missouri. So that's why I am saying, instead of treating the patients or trying to ward off HIV, the most important thing is awareness among the youths. For that purpose, I have written an article also in my collection of my book State Time regarding these types of challenge: cancer, HIV, and the cardiological problems in Mizoram. As a governor, with official book, I have mentioned, I have given the details regarding this social menace. Now in Goa, I am very happy to say that the most important solution suggested for this, that is awareness among the people. We are taking a pledge, and for the implementation also, the youths of this Goa, especially students from this college and other institutions, Vidya Prabodhini college and other institutions, they are coming forward. Definitely, government people, government Sarkar, as well as Rajbhavan would welcome it. I'm just thinking, during the last century, World Health Organization declared that to eradicate contagious disease, they have taken a pledge to remove this eradication process, and through that process eradicate all these plague, TB and other such types of diseases. But to a very great extent, in the last end of the last century, the universe is succeeding in its attempts, UN is succeeding in its attempts, World Health Organization is succeeding in its attempt to ward off this social menace, contagious diseases. But on the starting point of 2001 onwards, that is 21st century, now we are facing AIDS as a challenge, Ebola virus as a challenge, COVID is also a challenge. So such challenge, there is no foolproof, same person successful remedy under the modern medicine system. So under such circumstances, it is the need of the hour that to ward off HIV and other things, we will have to do more for the awareness process among the people. Today morning I visited an orphanage, and today in Rajbhavan I arranged a lunch for this HIV affected group of some inmates in I am not mentioning its name, inmates in an orphanage. Those HIV people, affected people are coming here. Rajbhavan is welcoming just like ordinary visitors to Rajbhavan, and governor is also taking food along with them in the Rajbhavan at 1 o'clock. So the goal, we have to give confidence to such patients, and of course for their welfare, through that process, instead of social boycott, we will consider them as our own brothers and sisters and our own children. I think we will be able to make wonders in this process, and I am requesting the youths of Goa to come forward voluntarily for fighting against this HIV and AIDS, and I am hopeful that we will be able to handle this successfully. And once more, I am thanking all of you for attending this function and taking part, and your good decision gone with the process of ward off and awareness process, and I congratulate all of you. I pray namaskar to all, and at the same time, once more I am repeating, don't try to ostracize these types of HIV patients from our social life. Instead of that, we will be more and more cooperate with them, give confidence to them. Now, present medical setup in our country, we are able to do better treatment to them, and through that process, their longevity life also be increased to a very great extent. And once more, requesting all of you to cooperate with this. And thank you very much. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir. I'm sure your words of compassion will be welcomed by not only those who have been inflicted with HIV, but also those who have been fighting this disease along with them. Going to the next part. I request that the pledge be taken by the students. I ask all the students to stand in their places and take the pledge by repeating the words after His Excellency the Governor. I ask all the teachers who have logged into the Google Meet to switch on the cameras in the meet.
तो HDMI केबल कनेक्ट कर दो HDMI केबल
HDMI on. Check the cable connections and the settings of your source device. To press source on your remote control to select the connected source device. No signal. HDMI on. Check the cable connections and the settings of your source device. To press source on your no cable connected. HDMI 1
Now you can play the board here only. Let the students take their own places. You can play the sound.
HDMI 1 check the cable connections and the settings of your
Offline you pay the work.
To press source on your remote control to select the connected source device.
You know one thing. That country is there. Repeat and all.
We can take a break.
Proceed.
Yeah, definitely.
Yes.
it is on.
Camera on करो.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Ready?
Yes.
Some students may be like, those who want to take the pledge.
Yeah, we'll take this. We'll take it.
I hereby solemnly swear that as the youth of the nation, to understand and do good to the society, and self, to think before I act and always reflect on my actions. I swear to contemplate the deeds around me and judge what is best for me in terms of mental, physical, social, and psychological health and well-being. I swear to abide by this oath and spread the same spirit within my peers to be safe, secure, and aware, and grow as a global citizen of my country.
Thank you.
Play करो, नहीं play करो.
Thank you everyone. I ask everyone to take their places. And I call upon Shri Shailesh Sodankar, Assistant Professor of Health and Physical Education, to deliver the vote of thanks.